Rabbit.
And turtle.
Intruder alert!
No. Come on, turtle. Can you be faster?
Rabbit, calm down. I'm almost done.
Turtle, run!
That egg is my baby.
Huh?
You lose. I knew from the start.
I'll show you. Just you wait.
Oh no! What's happening? Turtle, run!
Let's go.
Nani?
The maze is so amazing. We almost thought that we wouldn't escape from it. Turtle, run! Turtle, run!
Thank you.
Thank you. We were dreaming, right? Wow! What is that?
A crystal I just made.
That is so cool! But what is that again?
Sound interesting.
Every morning, an intruder has been detected.
Oh no! I didn't remember to lock the door. What should we do now?
Rabbit, calm down. Eric, find the intruder.
Searching for an intruder. Intruder found.
Behold, for I am the one and only and elegant and brilliant Dr. Snake-o. That crystal will be mine. You think our bread is button? Nah. Crystal
Toto, what's wrong? Phew, that's pretty clean. But this room is still messy.
So?
We need to clean this up right now. My grandma is on her way.
What?
No, you don't understand. My grandma is so strict and scary. When she sees this mess, we screw.
Huh? You just overreacting. I bet she's not a monster at all.
Hey!
It's me, kid. I'm a bit exhausted today. Toto, this house is messed up. We need to stop right now. Kid, straight up. No, you guys must eat vegetables. Sit still.
Wow! I think Grandma is not scary as Turtle say. She do love Turtle. I'll find a way to get Turtle see that. I just want you to be closer to Grandma. She's not scary.
No, you don't understand. Toto, stand up. Keep going. Toto, keep going. Stand up. Keep going. It's hard. You must have been scared. Don't worry, I will always be with you.